Tell him to come back to the store.
They said come back to the store.
Don't make me come find you, Bruce. Come back to the store right now so you can pay, and I won't take you to jail. I'm trying to get him back here right now.
He didn't want to ring me up.
Well, that's what we're gonna figure out now. He wants his money, is what he wants. Come pay you what you gotta pay so I can leave, because I got a pizza waiting for me at the office.
While the suspect makes his way back to the store, the officer asks about what exactly happened.
So he got tired of waiting and he walked out.
No, I swear, I was putting the money to him. And when mine went through,
Because you were transferring
I was transferring my money, but I was
to Booze.
to Booze. And then I was going out.
What, because he had a card or something?
He was going to Apple Pay.
He was gonna Apple Pay?
Yeah, and then when he got up there, it was not on that machine. He done voided off the machine.
Oh, why you cancel the order?
No cancel order.
You didn't cancel it?
No.
Was he trying? Did he try to pay or no? He didn't try to pay.
He sent the text and the message.
Yeah.
Somebody on the line, I tell him the police.
So you told him get to the side so you can handle the guy that was behind him. What do you say he's coming back?
Yeah, he's coming in.
What's he look like? Is he white? He's black?
White.
Hispanic?
He's black.
He's black. He's got long dreads.
Yeah.
You want him trespassed? So here's the thing. You guys were going back and forth trying to get the money into his account, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He was trying to take care of the customer behind because until you figured out and set the money, he canceled the order to take the order from the guy behind. Okay?
Exactly.
All right, and then he walked out.
Yeah, walked out because he didn't want to.
No. Give me your ID.
Hold on. Y'all told me to come back here and just pay for this and that's it.
Well, you're fixing to get trespassed from anyways.
I don't gotta come here, man. Look what I got. What I gotta steal that for? Tell him to stop acting like that. Like, what you did all that for? What happened? What you did? Hey, look, I'm trespassing here. Don't talk to me no more.
Why you go to you?
What?
Why'd you walk away?
Why did I walk away? So what? Tell me why I walked away. Because you ain't want to ring us up, right?
So they give you the right to walk away with the items?
I said, so you don't want us to pay for it?
You could leave it and then walk away. Is what
Man,
you
bro,
can do.
I drive trucks, bro. I ain't got to steal this little bit of iron. Bro, come on, bro.
But you did.
Huh?
But you did.
No, I ain't steal it. Because I'm
Yeah, you
going to
did.
pay for it. I ain't steal nothing.
You did steal it.
No, I did not.
You literally did not pay with the items that you have in your hand right
I
now.
offered to pay for it. So don't even say I stole this.
It's stolen. That's what stealing is. You walk away without paying.
Man, I ain't finna argue about this junk, man. I'm finna pay for this
because you're in the
about
wrong.
my business, man.
I don't know why would you argue if you're in the wrong. You're in the
You
wrong.
still here talking about it still, bro. I'm finna pay for
Because
this.
it's my job.
He rung it up and took it right off, man. Took it right off.
Because he was waiting for the payment to
Why he
go
couldn't
through,
wait?
and he wanted to take the second customer behind you, and you didn't want to wait for him to finish with the customer behind you, so you walked away. That's what happened.
All right.
All right. So if he tells you get to the side and wait,
Done deal.
then you wait.
All right.
If you don't want to wait, you don't walk out with his items.
10-4. Hey, 10-4. I'm here to pay for this and that's it. Let me get a line for it.
What kind of pieces you got?
Pepperoni. Yo, let me tell you something. You keep running your mouth, I'm gonna put your handcuffs and I'm gonna throw you in the back of my car and I'll take over this. All right?
You told me if I come back, you ain't gonna take me to jail.
Yeah, I'm being a man of my word. That doesn't mean I can't take it back and put you in cuffs. So stop talking.
You already passed all points of sale one time, right?
Huh?
Did you already pass all points of sale one time?
Yeah, he did.
Trying to pay for it to go. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, well keep talking, then we're gonna take you. Then they can pick you up at the jail, pay your bond and everything else. Don't point at me.
I'm not trying to argue.
No, I want to take you to jail is what I want to do. Because you are running your mouth.
Listen, bro, I don't want to talk, bro.
Keep running your mouth.
Boss, man, come on, man. Let me get out of here, bro.
It's funny, huh?
Bro.
That's funny. Keep
Leave
working
me
at me.
alone,
Let's
man.
go to jail. No, you're going. Let's
What you
go.
doing, bro?
You're
I'm
going.
smiling.
You're going. You already passed all points of sale.
Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
I didn't do anything.
On your back.
Bro,
Put your hands on your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't do nothing, bro.
Give him taser.
Man, why you gonna tase me for? I ain't do
Put your
nothing.
hands behind your back.
I ain't even doing nothing.
Put your
I ain't
hands
even
behind your
doing
back.
anything, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why y'all doing this? Why? I didn't do nothing. I'm just sitting there smiling,
You're
dog.
gonna get tased.
I'm coming on, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Man, no,
Do it,
bro.
man.
There you go.
Come on, bro. Wow, come on,
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, come on.
Don't move.
Man, bro. Come on, man. What y'all doing this for? Come on, man. Why? Tell me why, bro.
Because you passed
Tell
all
me why,
points
bro. I ain't even do anything. Come on, man. I ain't do nothing, bro. I ain't even do anything, dog. I ain't do anything, man.
Get him up.
I'm smiling, man. Pulling my hat, my head, and everything. Come on,
Yep,
bro.
go to jail.
You just want to do that. I never go.
No good.
Hey, bro, go. Hey, go.
Don't steal. Don't steal.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, really? You gonna pass all points stale? Are you serious?
I was here.
Okay, yeah, and you walked out. Did he pay? No. So shut your mouth.
How you gonna tell me this?
Shut your
How you
mouth.
gonna tell me that? I am right.
I ain't do anything but smile.
They thought you just too many times, but
Come on. I was sitting there smiling. Come on, dog. I can't smile. That wasn't right, bro. What's his name?
Right here, Sergeant Kenny. Get in the car.
God bless you, bro.
Yep, you too.
God bless you, man. Man, no, you was dumb.
You already got him back in the car?
Yeah. You're about to be trespassed too.
keep walking, George. I was being nice. I was like, I'm not taking a joke. Come back and pay for that. He stands there. He starts running his mouth. Let me go. Let me go. Let me pay. I'm like, yo, stop. Let him finish what he's got to do. No, no. Let me pray. Let me pray. Be quiet. You're gonna get in cuffs. Okay, boss.
Run his mouth.
I don't even know how to pick this up. Bro, I was being nice. I told him, come back. I'm not going to take your joke anyways. It's the CPD jurisdiction. I'm like, I just want you to bring the items back and pay for it. He kept running his mouth. Where's James?
I thought he was
He
inside.
was inside getting the recording, he said.
Okay, we need that. I need a statement from you. Can you get a statement for him, please? Jesus Christ.
What an idiot.
I literally told him, I'm like, dude, I don't want to deal with this. I have a pizza waiting for me back at the office. I literally said that. I was like, be quiet. Just pay for your stuff and stop running your mouth. I literally told him that. His name is Mercurius.
Oh, he looks innocent to me. I think you're just harassing him
Dude,
for no reason.
I literally said, I was like, buddy, you bring the items back and you come and pay for it? No issue. I'm not going to take you to jail. He gets back,
True, that's
but he keeps running his mouth. He gets back and he gets here, and I'm like, he keeps running his mouth. He's like, Papa, let me pay, boss man, let me pay, let me. And I'm like, James is trying to get the dude statement, do all this stuff, because you're going to trespass him. My cut. What?
You're red.
My back and my elbow red.
Oh, yeah, Serge. That's
Yeah, you got cut.
gonna bruise nice.
You got a bruise too, yeah.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah. That looks so weird. What'd you do, hit the shelf?
So when we went down to the ground.
Let me see your arm. You know we take full bodies of y'all now too? But y'all standing like y'all posing for mug shots. Turn.
It's on this side.
How you doing?
What they call you for? Cause they just f***ed me up, right?
Taser, they have to.
He just punched me in my face, slammed me on the damn ground.
You never got punched.
What you did that for?
Did what?
What y'all did all that for? Well, I'm in handcuffs for, cause I was smiling, right?
Because you're a thief.
I'm a thief.
Yeah.
I make more money than you.
That's good. And that can bond yourself out.
Have a good night, bud.
Thank you guys. Stop banging on my car!
I didn't punch you. Did you punch him?
No, I never punched him. I just took him to the ground. And then I dry stomped him twice. You done?
I did too much detail right here today.
I appreciate it. Raise your right hand. You swear and affirm that everything you wrote here is in the statement is the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Were you forced and coerced to give me the statement
No.
today? Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol?
No.
All right, thank you, sir.
Never.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You good to roll?
Easy.
Yeah, my elbow's hurting too.
I busted this one the other night.
Yeah.
So.
All right, bud.
Vicarious was charged with petty theft and resisting without violence. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.